Hi everybody, I'm excited to show you Rival Machining's new CNC conversion kit for the Grizzly G0602 family of lathes. This kit includes all the mechanical portions, so that's going to be the motor mount plate. This is a housing for a belt and two pulleys, bearing block, ball screw, ball nut, everything you need for the mechanical portion for the X and the Z axis. So on the Z axis we've also got a motor bracket that's kind of buried back there, the housing, bearing block, ball screw, ball nut bracket, and the Z-axis has an end bracket there just because it's so long. So let's talk about some of the features. The main thing with this lathe that I wanted to try and tackle on this kit is I didn't want to have to mill out anything on the saddle or on the cross slide. I've seen that a lot online where people have to make some clearance for their ball nut to fit. And so on my kit, I found a different style of ball nut that actually fits in the factory pocket there. So the X axis here is a complete bolt-on kit or bolt-on installation. You don't have to mill anything. You don't have to take it to your buddy that's got an old Bridgeport, nothing like that. Just bolt it on and go. Same thing with the Z-axis. It's a little bit easier to develop a bolt-on solution here, but I'm using existing bolt holes to hold the bearing block, existing bolt holes here for the ball nut bracket, and existing bolt holes here. So everything's bolt-on, ready to go. Another feature is in the bearing blocks themselves, I'm running double row angular contact bearings, which means you never have to worry about backlash and backlash changing and readjusting it. Like none of that's going to happen. It's just good to go, bolt on and go. So here's an example of what the X-axis will look like when you get it. As you can see, it's pretty much assembled. You've got your motor mount plate. These screws are just finger tight right now. Take that motor mount plate off, bolt your motor onto it. It comes with a pulley and a belt. The pulley that you can put on your motor, and then the belt will connect to the pulley that's already attached to the ball screw in here. And from there you just bolt the bearing block onto the saddle and attach your ball nut bracket and you're good to go. So same thing with the Z-axis, you bolt it up in the 3 locations I just pointed out, and it's really ready to go. Just install your motors and get your electronics going. So I've already been having a ton of fun with this thing. It's awesome to have another CNC machine in the shop. If you're interested or if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Also, I've got my contact information and a link if you're interested in purchasing.